Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deepi and you are watching Language with Deepi. So in this lesson, we are going to learn vowels in Spanish. As you know, in English we have 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. And in Spanish, A, E, I, O, U. So what is the difference? Okay, so in this lesson, we are going to learn vowels in Spanish and their sounds. Let's start. Okay, so first letter is A. A. For example, padre. Padre. Padre is father. Second, E. And in Spanish, E is A. A. As in English, A for apple. And in Spanish, E is sounds like A. A. For example, elefante. Elefante. And third one is I. I in English, and in Spanish, it's E. 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 Okay. For example, comida. Comida. Comida is meal. Meal. Fourth one is O. O. For example, doctor. Doctor. Doctor is doctor. Professor. 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 Fifth one is U. U. For example, uno. Uno. Uno is one. Uno. Okay. Now we have 5 vowels: A, E, O, U. Okay, so that's all about today. Today we have learned vowels in Spanish because this is really very important topic. So see you in the next video. Adios.